Right, another 3D Matterport scan in DC. Take a look at Taco Mamba. Mamba. It's pretty much gutted. No furniture. Just general layout of the location. It's a very straightforward private room. We'll fly through here. This is dining area. Let's fly over to the kitchen. There you got your food delivery window. Fly through that. Here's your bar. I think I went behind it. So you can see all the detailed taps on the table. Let's go back in the kitchen. And we can poke through here. I think that's the exit. I did go in the freezer. Another soda room. Back in the kitchen. Dishwashing station. We got our stovetops toward the middle. Let's go back here, see what we got. Staff room. Probably security and networking there. Let's take a look at the dollhouse view. I think I did that outside. Let's take a look and navigate through. I think I'm stuck. Uh-oh. All right. It's lagging a little bit. Okay, here we go. Hit 360. Pop out, get the outside view. Jump back in, take a quick look at the dollhouse view. Quick project. It's probably around 5,000 square feet. Get overall 3D look. You can fly in like usual. Get all these auto labels as well, which is nice. So we can spin and rotate. The big selling point on Matterport is this dollhouse view. It also has the top-down view for the floor plan, and not just the floor plan, but we can actually see all the items inside too. Sometimes it's a little confusing. If you get the ceiling fixtures, you might see these circular items. These are the light fixtures that you can see. There are ways to hide that, but this one doesn't look too bad. Sometimes it's really distracting, and we'll go in and hide those elements. But yeah, you can make out a lot of detail from the top down. There's stovetops right here. This is the main bar area over here. And I think that's it. Oh, we did get the bathrooms. Oh, that guy went into this hallway. Yeah, go. So we'll do the usual keyboard shortcuts. It feels more like a video game when you do this, like a first-person shooter. Usually don't go in the bathroom, so just shoot right in front. That's kind of enough, unless it's a handicap, then I'll pop in so I can capture more of that space. But yeah, try to avoid the mirrors. I usually do capture, like there'd be a scan point here just so we get all that detail. But yeah, that's it. So I think I skipped this. This is by the dining area. Oh, I did another side on this exit. Take a look. Look up and down. I don't know what that is. It's weird. Oh, it's a bird. It's funny. It's got 3 of them. Moving too fast. That bird. Yeah, you'll get this similar duplicate It's stitching multiple images, so you're gonna see this kind of ghosting. Typically on cars too, if they pass by, you'll see that sequence of images also. That's pretty cool. I remember this street, but that's, I think, Equinox is a high-end gym. I don't know if that's the Apple store. I don't recall exactly. Cross street here. We'd probably zoom in. Figure it out. We're on I, and I don't know. But here you can see that kind of ghosting effect from multiple images getting stitched together as it rotates. Anyways, that's it. Just a quick 3D tour of a restaurant. Thanks for watching. Bye.